101 ways to peace. Now, peacefulness then has to be a decision that you make. Peacefulness can exist right in the middle of war and devastation and catastrophe. The ways to develop a peaceful nature, the first thing to do is to give up trying to change and control other people. Don't tell them how to vote. Give up questionable advertising. Let go of trying to change and control others. We always want other people to be different than they are. Why can't they be more like me? If I can't change them, if I'm stuck with them, well, then at least I can control them. I can control them. So you'll see how often your mind would like to change people and make them different. The next big thing to have peace of mind is to let go wanting to get even. You see that in the political arena. Things the previous administration did, the new administration has to get into a make wrong and a get even because they want to be right. That's why you never see peace in the political arena, because they're all up to proving others wrong, proving they're right, and trying to get even for what the previous administration did 18 years ago or something. So you have to let go wanting to get even. You can let go wanting to get even if you understand divine justice. If you understand divine justice, it saves you the bother of getting even, because everything is taken care of by the presence of God. All things then karmically have their own karmic payoff, and you don't have to do anything. It's not necessary to bring down your enemies, because they will bring themselves down by their own hand. By their own hand, they will do themselves in. And then you're not stuck with the karma. You see, the minute you get even, or get even with them, or conquer them, etc., you now have the karma of that. If somebody falls over, it's better that they do it of their own accord than you're putting a bullet in them.